After setting the segment benchmarks and ruling the market since inception, Creta is set to storm the market in its completely new avatar. The all-new Creta. The all-new Creta adopts Hyundai's next-generation design language of sensuous sportiness that allows the customers to see and feel the emotional connect through 5 senses. All-new Creta, characterized by the signature cascading grille, sculpted bumper and rugged details on skid plate, project a sportier appeal. The iconic Crescent Glow LED DRLs, along with trio beam LED headlamps, highlight the distinctive design of this SUV. The muscular wheel arches, coupled with thoughtfully crafted crease lines on the bonnet, add to the imposing stance of all-new Creta. The long bonnet and sloping roofline create the silhouette of the ultimate SUV, giving it bold looks and athletic stance. The integrated roof rails, together with aerodynamic rear spoiler and shark fin antenna, boost the sporty appeal. The 17-inch diamond-cut alloys and the distinctive lightning arch C-pillar add to the dynamism to ensure Creta stands out in the crowd. The distinctive rear comes with meticulously designed LED tail lamps, LED high-mount stop lamps, and twin-tip exhaust. The wide and robust bumper with skid plate offer it a bolder SUV stance. The all-new Creta is the perfect partner that welcomes you with auto-unfold outside mirrors and puddle lamps along with smart entry. If the exteriors are trend-setting, the cabin of all-new Creta is sure to mesmerize you. The two-toned black and greige interiors are a treat for the eyes, giving a roomier and premium feel to the cabin. The leather-wrapped D-cut steering with tilt function, 8-way power driver seat, and front-row ventilated seats ensure a comfortable cockpit. The plush leatherette upholstery with hexagonal pattern and the dual-tone crash pad with soothing blue ambient lighting emanates premiumness. All-new Creta offers generous legroom, headroom, and shoulder room, along with excellent thigh support for every occupant to have a relaxed seating space. The comfort for rear occupants is maximized with reclining seats, LED reading lamps, headrest cushion, window sunshade, rear center armrest with cup holders, and rear AC vents. All-new Creta offers added convenience for its occupants with smartphone wireless charger and USB port connectivity. Be it a long drive or a regular commute, the occupant-centric interiors have 60-40 split seats along with 433 liters boot space and ample utility spaces for accommodating all the things one has to carry. The ergonomically positioned 10.25-inch HD infotainment comes with BlueLink and easy access split-screen functionality and smartphone connectivity. Complementing the advanced infotainment is the Bose premium sound system with 8 speakers for the ultimate theater-like acoustic experience. The smartwatch-controlled BlueLink function allows the ease of using this connected car technology from any distance. The advanced BlueLink comes with voice command.
Hello BlueLink, open sunroof.
It even allows you to check your favorite team's cricket score. All-new Creta is a perfect tech space to experience the new age mobility. Infused with intuitive technology, the SUV is designed to delight the occupants. Even the touch of a finger can engage electric parking brake, or shift gears with the paddle shifters, or even set speed with cruise control. No matter how polluted it is outside, Auto Healthy Air Purifier with touch control ensures that the cabin air remains clean and healthy. All-new Creta is not just about bold looks and technology. Under the hood, it makes a mark with BS6 compliant 1.5 petrol, 1.5 diesel and the powerful 1.4 turbo petrol, along with transmission options of 6-speed manual, 6-speed auto, 7-speed DCT and intelligent variable transmission. For a fun-to-drive experience, the all-new Creta offers drive mode options of comfort, eco and sport, as well as traction control modes of snow, mud and sand, thus allowing you to chase any terrain with confidence. Safety is another aspect that makes the all-new Creta stand out. The liberal use of advanced and high-strength steel transcends the body structure into a safe cocoon. The application of 6 airbags along with ESC, VSM, hill assist control and rear disc brakes make sure that you are safe in all new Creta. Moreover, the aided safety features of tire pressure monitoring system, rear parking camera and driver rear view monitor add to driver's convenience. With all this and more, Hyundai ensures a complete peace of mind with Hyundai Wonder warranty and 3 years BlueLink subscription. All new Creta is the ultimate SUV with its masculine and futuristic stance, smart technology, powerful and efficient powertrain, advanced connectivity, enhanced comfort, intuitive experience and complete peace of mind through Hyundai assurance of safety and Wonder warranty.